On this first alert weather day because we are looking at a soggy next couple of days.
And such a severe storm is already making its way into the Bay Area right now. Let's start off with our first alert Doppler. Very active conditions just offshore. This is a major cold front that's starting to hone its way in already for our friends up into the North Bay. I mean, we're talking anywhere from Bodega Bay all the way north. We are seeing heavy conditions right now all the way down into Tennessee Valley, and this will start sweeping its way into Santa Rosa pretty shortly. Let's zoom out real fast, though, getting a good look at what we can expect within the next couple hours. This is going to start really settling its way into the peninsula within the next hour, sweeping throughout the rest of the Bay Area as we head into these morning commute hours. Be very careful if you live out there. If you do plan on leaving your front door within the next 30 minutes or so, this is what we're dealing with into the 7 o'clock hour. This frontal system sweeps its way through the Santa Clara Valley, off in the Tri-Valley area, and wrapping all the way up into wine country by 7 a.m. By 7:30, it's a slow-moving system, so it's going to continue to give us plenty of downpour for these commute hours, and it really doesn't sweep off into the Sacramento Valley until around 10 a.m. Backing that system, though, is a lot more scattered showers that we're going to be seeing into the afternoon hours today. A weak system will actually settle its way through around that 4 o'clock hour. I wanted to stop the time there so you can get a good check of what you can expect even for that commute home today. So this comes at such an inconvenient time. It's the big reason why we've issued a first alert weather day. You need to be prepared and ready before you head out the door this morning. Keep the umbrella handy, keep the rain boots handy, make sure the kids are ready to go before they head off to school for their Friday forecast. This is what we're waking up to tomorrow morning. Just into the early morning hours tomorrow by 7 a.m., another major frontal system really hones its way into the Bay Area. It pushes through into that 10 o'clock hour. We're left with scattered showers around 2 o'clock when the game kicks off for this 49ers game, but even then we're seeing heavy showers still lingering on into the evening hours that night. So kickoffs at 1:30. Keep in mind, though, we're going to be dealing with rainy and windy conditions right around the corner.